Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam and today in this video I will be talking with you about a video editor from Microsoft Windows 11. And yes, I'm not talking about the default video editor that comes with Windows 10 or Windows 11. Today in this video we will be talking with you about a brand new another video editor which is known as Clipchamp, which is available with Windows 11 Pro build 22572. But don't worry guys, even if you are working with Windows 10, you can still have this video editor. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how you can. So for that you can simply go to store and here you need to search for Clipchamp and you will have it. So in this way guys, you can also install it in another version or another build of Windows. Now let me just go back here and I will click here in Windows. And now I will start this video editor. Okay. Now here you can see the interface of this video editor. It looks like this, which is, I would say, completely different from the traditional video editor. For example, DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, it looks completely different. And here we can see we have bunch of templates available. We can see on the left hand side here we have the user information, then there is a home tab, and then we have a brand kit. Now we also have a lot of templates available. If you click here, so we can start our project with any template. So based on your need you can start with anyone. And here we have got some categories also available. For example, let's say I want to create a video for YouTube, so I can simply select here to YouTube, and now I will have all the YouTube templates available, which is, I would say, quite nice. Here you can see you can even search the template. For example, I want to have a template of Facebook post. I can simply click it here and find it. Now let's go toward the right hand corner. Here we can find this first option which says upgrade. So let's click on it, and here we can see the different plans available with Clipchamp. What does this mean? So this means that this Clipchamp video editor is actually not completely free. So it is free if you are satisfied with 480p export, which I would say is of no use, or you can only view the content in mobile screen. But let's say you want to publish your video to YouTube platform, or you want to see the content in TV, then for such cases at least full HD resolution is required, which is again 1920 by 1080p. So if we see realistically, then we require to buy this plan, which is again set as popular by Microsoft. So you can buy this media player for $124.8 per year. So does this player really worth it? Let's understand in this video. Okay, so let's close this, and now we will see the interface of main video editor. So let's start with a new video. So I will be clicking here on create video. You can also start with any template. For example, if you click here and click on use this template, we can start like this as well. So here we go. Here we can see we have started with this template, and if I click here on play, then I would say this template will start playing. Let me just reduce the sound. Now let's hear this. Okay, so it looks quite decent, I would say. It's like ready to go video editor, which looks quite simple. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this entire timeline, which look quite similar as the timeline that we see in Premiere Pro or Camtasia or DaVinci Resolve. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the same video here just to show you how you can add content to the timeline. So let's click on this video, and now I'm going to place it here, and let's add some more stock videos. So the good thing about this player is you will also get a lot of stock videos, so you can choose either from pay or free. Now I'm just adding these few more videos. Okay, so now here we can see we have two video tracks. So let's place it here. Okay, so here we can see the small toolbar which also quite resemble the Premiere Pro, and in this way guys you can scrub or scroll through your video. You can also place images and other content as well. So we can place some background music as well. So let's add it here. So in this way you can place music. So that's about timeline. It look quite similar to Premiere Pro, and we also have similar shortcut. For example, here let me just press S, and here we can see. In this way guys we can split the video, and if we want to apply transition, we also have this option to do so. We can also apply transition. Okay, now let me just check. So how smooth was this? It was quite amazing, I would say. Now apart from transition, you can also place graphics as usual. Apart from graphic, you can also place some text. Okay, like this. You can obviously edit it just by making double click on it, and now you can place or write anything. You can also change the font, the one you like, and the colors as well. So let's click here on color, and now I would like to make it dark. So in this way guys you can change everything. You also have this filter option which can create or generate multiple variant based on your need. So you can play with these options, which makes this entire process very easy and fast. And also the templates that we seeing here looks quite elegant and clean. So you can see all of this. Let me just place it here, and now let's see how smooth this animation was. In terms of other feature, here we can see we also have filter available, which makes this look quite nice, I would say. Okay, so this is the normal way, and now here you can see how beautiful now it look. Okay, apart from that, here we can see a simple manipulation editing option. For example, you can rotate your video, flip it, you can crop it. Here in adjust color, you can also perform a basic color correction apart from these filter. So you can also perform fade in and fade out, and can also define the speed of the clip. Okay, because this video is just to have a look on this Clipchamp video editor, so I'm not going to talk much about the individual feature. Rather, I would say all these features looks similar to Camtasia, which is again kind of video editing software. So the timeline and these settings quite resemble to the famous Premiere Pro as well. Now let's talk about something which make it unique, which you won't find in Premiere Pro. So one such option is text to speech. So let's click here. Let's say you do not have a voice for your video and you would like to type it, and you want the software to speak on your behalf. Okay, for example, this is example text. Now what I can do, actually I can choose the language, and I can choose the voice, whether I want a masculine voice or feminine voice. Now here you can see
this is example text.
So in this way guys, you can generate voice and can use it with your video. Apart from that, we also have this screen recording functionality available, which I would say is quite nice. You can always record your screen, and here we can see it also have a screen record limit of 30 minutes. Okay, now I'm not going to do that, so I will be just simply closing it. Then we have this camera recording functionality, and then this screen and camera. let's keep it as it is, and now here we can see this video import function. So all in all, we can say that this video editor have all the necessary ingredient to make video very fast. However, if I talk about the competency, if I compare it with Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, it still lag behind. But then again, this video editor is not intended to compete with Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, but have its own USP, which is you can create video very fast with this video editor. So that was very brief and quick introduction of Microsoft Clipchamp video editor. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.